Well, the project today is to fix this toolbox. It's the lid is bent. The hinge is bad. The struts are worn out. I need to straighten it out and then re-weld these braces as the weld. The weld right here is broken. Up here is broke, and the latch needs to be welded back on. I'll probably have to take the hinge off. This lid's really tweaked really bad. But I want to fix that up and then I can mount it on my trailer, because I never have a place to carry straps and jacks and tools and stuff. I think I'll probably have to put a piece of angle on here and then some bracing under the bottom, and relocate that spare tire over here. So that's the plan. So that's all for now.